Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today we're going to show you how to remove all your likes on Instagram. It's quick and easy. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. This takes you straight to your personal profile page. Step 2. On your profile page, look for the 3-line button in the top right corner and tap it. This opens the menu where all your account settings and activity options are located. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Your Activity. This section lets you review and manage everything you've interacted with on Instagram. Step 4. Select Likes to see every post you've ever liked. This is where you'll find the full list of posts you've engaged with. Step 5. Tap on Select at the top of the screen. This allows you to pick multiple posts at once, instead of removing likes one by one. Step 6. Choose all the posts you want to unlike by tapping on them. You can select as many as you want in a single go. Step 7. Tap on Unlike, which will show the number of selected posts. This prepares the action to remove your likes from those posts. Step 8. Confirm by tapping Unlike again. This final step ensures your likes are permanently removed from the selected posts. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.